fire station, fire company, fire station firemen. They just came and they turned the alarm off. I never smelled any smoke or saw any smoke. I just decided to just chill out right here. And my thought process was, I have way too many valuables in here to try to collect them and run out. So I'm just gonna take my purse and myself. But I just thought I'd update you. Nothing's wrong. I mean, I don't know if something wrong, but I don't know if something's actually really wrong, but I'll let you know some other day if I find out or if there is something bad. Okay, bye.